In this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way of making chicken curry at home. Firstly, you have to prepare all the recipes that you need. You need chicken, of course. Then some varieties of spicy, onion, tomato and coriander leaf. Now heat a pan and pour the oil and make it hot. I'm having mustard oil here, but you can also use coconut oil and olive oil as you wish. Well, it's your choice. Now fry cardamom, cinnamon, clove, fennel and fenugreek. Now fry one chopped onion until it turns into brown. Okay, it become brown, so pour the chicken on it. And fry it properly and cover it with a plate or lid and let it cook for 5 minutes in a medium flame. Now make ginger, garlic and chili paste. It's time to add all the spices. First, add turmeric and stir well. Now add ginger, garlic and chili paste, red chili powder, cardamom and cinnamon powder, cumin and coriander powder, curry powder, and add salt to taste and mix it properly. Wow, it starts looking tasty, doesn't it? After all this, add 2 or 3 chopped tomato and fry it and cover for a few minutes. Yummy yummy. One secret ingredient, which is yogurt. Add 3 or 4 tablespoons yogurt and stir it again. And cover it for 5 minutes. Now Our chicken curry is almost ready. Add some water to make soup. Okay, it looks mouth-watering now. I'm going to serve it with rice, but you can serve it with other things. Enjoy! Please do like, share it with others, and consider subscribing to my channel for more food recipes like this. Thank you for watching.